Alrighty, so today we're going to be having a look at a few more tricky expanding of brackets for cubics. And you can see this is the first one. Now this one is going to use a little bit of Pascal's triangle just to deal with this bit. Obviously you could just write this as x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2, and expand out all of those brackets, and you will get the right answer assuming you don't make any mistakes. However, for ease and for convenience, I'm going to be using Pascal's triangle method. So let's leave the 3 out the front, and let's put everything else in. So to the power of 3, so it's going to be x to the power of 3, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 1, x to the power of 0. Then we're going to have the reverse, negative 2. So I'm going to put negative 2 in brackets. So negative 2 to the 0, negative 2, 1, negative 2 squared, negative 2 to the power of 3. Alrighty. And now all I need to do is put the coefficients in the front. How do I work those out? Let me just put my pluses in. Reach for Pascal's triangle. 1, 1, 1. We need 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, so we need the fourth row. There we are. 1, 3, 3, 1. 1, 3, 3, 1. Now I can clean it up a little bit. 1 times x to the 3 times, well, negative 2 to the 0 is also 1. So it's 1 times x to the 3 times 1, which is x to the 3, plus 3 times x squared times negative 2. Well, it's going to be minus 6x squared. Next one. 3 times negative 2 squared. Negative 2 squared is positive 4. 4 times 3 is 12x. 1 times x to the 0 is just, well, x to the 0 is just 1, so we can get rid of that. And then we get 1 times negative 2 to the 3, which is negative 8 times 1, which is negative 8. Now we need to just expand the overarching brackets here. We're going to get 3x to the 3 minus 18x squared plus 36x minus 24. And there we go. We have expanded those brackets. Pascal's triangle is going to make this a lot quicker. You're probably going to need like 6 or 7 more lines of working out if you're going to expand the brackets the long way. Let's look at one more. So let's try expanding out these brackets. So once again, let's ignore the minus 3x out the front and let's just expand the inner brackets. So using Pascal's triangle, we're going to get x squared, x to the 1, x to the 0. Now the other one's going to count the other way. 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1. 2 to the 2. Now once again, let's just get rid of these to the power of 0 terms because they're not really doing anything for us. So 2 to the 0 is gone, x to the 0 is gone, and now we just need to work out our coefficients. So reaching for Pascal's triangle, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. So it's 1, 2 in the middle, and then 1 on the side. So 1, 2, 1, although the 2 ones don't really matter because multiplying by 1 is not going to do much. So we're going to get minus 3x bracket x squared plus 2 times x times 2 is 4x plus 2 squared is 4. Expand out the overarching brackets. We're going to get negative 3x to the 3 minus 12x squared minus 12x after expanding out these brackets like so. Alrighty, so that's how we can expand some more complicated brackets. Once again, the power of Pascal's triangle is going to make this a lot easier. See you in the next one. Goodbye.